Hey guys, Devil's Den Sports Cards here, and tonight we're back on June the 4th. It would be Saturday night. Tonight we are doing group break number 107, and as you'll see here, the last team that ended is the Winnipeg Jets as usual. And this ended tonight at 6:06 p.m. That's Mountain Time here in Alberta. Okay. It is a two-box break, so double box break, and I know I had the serial numbers on there. So I'll show you the serial numbers on the auction, then I'll show you the serial numbers of the box themselves. So we are doing boxes, where are we? 8439 4156 723 893, and box 8439 415 674 9448. Okay, show you what time it currently is. It is 9:20 p.m. Again, Saturday, June the 4th, 9:20 p.m. Mountain Time here in Alberta. 23. It was a cooker today, actually. So, here are your boxes. So again, last four digits there, 5 digits: 49448 and 23893. Okay. So as usual, put your cards in here to protect them. Which I only need one. Two boxes actually fit in here. And here, right here, we have a master case of ice. And I'm going to be taking 8 box out of here to do a group break after this, which I think is number 108. So keep your eye on my eBay, because the other case will be done tomorrow night as well out of this. So hopefully something good comes out of here. Anyways, here are 2 boxes. Group break number 107. Double box break ice. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Oh, sorry. Garbage can in place. Sorry. Box. Only need one, I know that. Start off with a Global Impact, Nick Ritchie, Anaheim Ducks. And a Ice Premiers, Duncan Siemens, 1999, Colorado Avalanche. Ice Premiers, Montreal Canadiens, 999, Charles Hudon. Ice Premiers, 1499, New York Rangers, Brady Skjei. Sorry, I don't know. SKJI. I don't know. A little warm today. Still fine. Nice. We have a Glacial Graphs for the New York Islanders, Anders Lee. And under here we have a Ice Premiers Autographs Out of 499 for the Nashville Predators, Victor Arvidsson. A double hit out of there. That's nice. Ice Premier's $14.99 Vancouver Canucks, Brendan Gaunce. Fresh Threads, San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Golubin. Come on. Oh, nice, nice. Here we have a Exquisite Rookies autographed, number 7 of 149 for the Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. Nice. Let's save that box, I'd say. Wow. Ice Premier's New York Rangers, $19.99, Mackenzie Skapski. Box number 1. Box number 2. Global Impact, Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hanifin. Nice. Another hit for New York Rangers. This time it's a rookie signatures, maybe like a gold version or something. 35 of 35, Oscar Lindberg. Well, that's 2 pretty good exquisite hits. Do something with ice now. How about a World Championship, World Junior Championships, Shea Theodore, $12.99 for the Anaheim Ducks. Another Global Impact, this time Montreal Canadiens, Mike Condon. And Ice Premier's $19.99, Los Angeles Kings, Derek Forbort. Well, yeah, wrong guy. Ice Premier's autograph, $4.99, Chicago Blackhawks, Ryan Hartman. Maybe now Ice Premier's under there. That'd be nice. Bonus hits. It's always nice. Ice Premier's $14.99, Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Kopp. Ice Premiers, $14.99. Philadelphia Flyers, Anthony Stolarz. And last pack. Oh, what's this? We have a Frozen Foursomes. All for the Carolina Hurricanes. We have Eric Stahl, Jeff Skinner, Justin Falk, and Cam Ward. Nice way to finish that off. And there you go. So that is your 2-box break of Upper Deck Ice, and that would be group break number 107. Thanks again for everybody joining in, and hope to see you again next time. Take care. Bye.